Welcome. If you've ever visited a website on your phone and found that certain features just don't work, it might be because JavaScript is disabled for that site. Today, I'll show you how to allow JavaScript for specific websites in Google Chrome on your mobile device. This is perfect if you want to keep JavaScript off for most sites, but need it for a few trusted ones. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control many aspects of your browsing experience. Scroll down until you see Site Settings. Tap on it. Here, you'll find a list of permissions and content controls for websites you visit. Look for the option labeled JavaScript and tap on it. By default, JavaScript might be set to blocked, especially if you've changed your settings before. Now, to allow JavaScript for a specific site, tap on Add Site Exception under the Allowed section. This is where you can make exceptions for sites you trust and want to work properly. A box will pop up asking for the website address. Carefully enter the full address of the site you want to allow, for example, example.com. Double-check for typos to make sure the exception works correctly. Once you've entered the address, tap Add. That's it. JavaScript will now be enabled just for that website, while staying blocked on others. If you ever want to remove the exception, simply return to the same JavaScript settings page. Find the site under Allowed and remove it. Allowing JavaScript for specific sites gives you more control over your browsing, helping you stay secure while enjoying full website functionality where you need it most. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.